The easiest way to understand slices of metrics is to look at our Explore page. I'll click on the new Explore tab. I'll choose a topic, and this will take me to the Explore interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see that we have the different slices and the different metrics available. We have metrics and slices available for customers, for orders, and for products. You may be familiar with the term dimensions and measures. These are synonymous with slices and metrics. Think about a slice or dimension as an attribute about the data. For example, in our customers table, we have entries for each customer. We have the customer ID, the city, the address, etc. But then we might want to aggregate across this table, so we could get the count of customers, for example. Let's choose a single metric, the count of customers. When I hit the Run button, you'll see that I'm only going to get one row of data returned. This is because I have no attribution or segmentation within the SQL query. If we look at the raw SQL, you can see the query is only selecting the distinct count of customers. Now let's add in a slice. Maybe I want to look at the count of customers by state. Now when I hit the Run button, that total count of customers will be segmented out by each value for each state. There'll be one row of data returned for each value of the state dimension. I can add in a second slice or dimension, perhaps city. And now when I hit the Run button, unless there's a one-to-one relationship between state and city, we'll see more rows of data returned as we get the combination of the unique values for both of these dimensions. Looking at some of the other tables, for order lines, for example, we have the gross average order value, the gross profit, the number of customers, the total discounts. Again, you'll see that these measures are averages, their numbers, counts, or their totals.